summer fashions are the most interesting of the year. More free, more feminine, and far more colorful than any of the other seasons. This slipper is made of the new imported summer shantung embroidered in pastel colors. Contrasting woven straw is used effectively in this Miller style. A new beach sandal with its cool construction that features the low heel for comfort. This walking shoe uses black and white Java lizard with leather heel for its smart one-strap effect. A violet purple kidskin shoe is sponsored for the afternoon gown. This beautiful Miller evening slipper affects paisley brocade trimmed with silver kidskin.
That's all.